Well, here we are at the Nokia Global Analyst Forum 2017 in Espoo, Finland. We have an exciting day ahead of us. We're going to be talking about 5G, cloud, everything from services to Nokia's new digital health portfolio.
Yeah, sure. The analyst is a very important part of our industry, and regularly we meet with them and share with them our strategies and our views.
I'm really glad to be in this Nokia's Global Analyst Forum, meet analysts, really interesting discussions, but of course main thing is to hear what's the latest from Nokia's development.
Commercialization of 5G is right on track. We at Nokia are passionate to lead, and I can share with you all that when it comes to our portfolio readiness for 5G, we are ready to go.
One is we're clearly a big deal in massive scale access, both on the fixed and wireless side, and increasingly those are coming together, not just for backhaul, but even the technologies are becoming similar. So we can solve the problem multiple ways for operators. So that's sort of the massive scale access domain. The other is that we're also cloud native. We're virtualizing our portfolio in the control plane of that portfolio and even the bearer of that portfolio in radio, and that's what goes into the converged edge cloud. And of course we also have the airframe infrastructure solution there, as well as the hardware accelerators that come in AirScale and associated platforms. So those two things, think of it as the anchor points of a strategy.
Great to see the execution as well, and especially when you map that onto the end-to-end story, it's quite interesting to sort of see the evidence of this.
Nokia is a very valued partner, not only for Sprint, but our parent company SoftBank, a common vendor and innovation partner with us. We work very closely in ideating new ideas for infrastructure and how we can offer services from it, and a very collaborative relationship that we value highly.
What we like to do is build big networks, and customers, when you have the need to build big networks, we like to take our technology and apply them. So in these adjacencies, or what we call these verticals, there's a lot of interesting opportunities.
It's the technology leadership that Nokia is illustrating, but also it's focused on trying to understand different verticals. Well, Nokia is already illustrating value in several verticals, mining, transport, and Nokia executives shared use cases and success stories in several of these. So there is a lot of value there, and Nokia is unique in trying to address these markets first, before its competitors.
Yeah, our strategy in 2017 has been to build upon what we did in 2016 and before. Is primarily three things. One, continue to build and deliver just beautiful world-class software products. The second was really start building a very clear focus of go-to-market in our segment for software. And then the third piece that we really find now, I think it's about timing. The key is many a times we see these transitions happen, and we are, I think, at the right time, at the right place with the right products.
Yeah, so automation is very important for global services, but it's not only about automation. It's about the 3A, which is automation, artificial intelligence, and analytics. And the three actually together are the important things for us in global services.
Well, it's very exciting to see, that Nokia has an amazing, comprehensive portfolio of products and services covering the entire spectrum from telco all the way to non-telco.
5G is a concept that is more than just radio connectivity. You need to support, to backhaul, and to provide gigabit speeds at the lower latency possible in order to give the services of 5G. And that's what we're doing in Fix. We're capable today of providing fiber-like speeds in copper, in coax, in wireless, and of course in fiber.
I continue to believe that Nokia is very well positioned to become a leader in fixed wireless access. And what I see with Nokia is by having fixed wireless under the fixed networking, it really eliminates a lot of the issues that you see at Nokia's competitors, who truly don't understand the complications of access.
One is the power of the Nokia end-to-end portfolio. As we enter the 5G era, it's so clear that radio is important, access is important, but so much more is important as well. And there are very few companies, in fact I would argue one, that can bring together everything in a really concrete way around the world.
I think that end-to-end focus has been a particularly good one. It is, I think, beautiful. A lot of folks, we don't have a chance to see this level of snow.